We should just do it from one station.
So yo, this is fucking Ganja TV.
No, what we need to do is you need to open a new Facebook like page for Ganja TV and so forth. You need to sit down and think about it. But just for tonight, it doesn't matter. Just go from a link and.
Hold on.
I know where the videos are going saved to, so I can deal with them at the moment. Well, because it's going to do that.
So, question.
We'll work out the other account tomorrow. You should open a new YouTube, or use that one. Probably open a new YouTube. So it's just one for the channel, separate just for the channel. Let me think about it more right now.
Come here. Ben. Time is of the essence. Come here.
What?
Come here. Here's what I want you to do. Find me where we are. I'm gonna copy this and paste it right now. Ah, thank you. Grazie. Yo, my snag tooth look kind of hawker. Wow.
So yo.
Yes, sir.
So far one of the thing that on them one of the
Come over here. Come over here. Let's introduce yourself.
Don't know. Riff Coral in the building. Don't know.
Indeed.
That was a vibes thing.
How long you been in the business, sir?
How long you been in the business?
Yeah, man, cause
man, a spot like that.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? Hold on. Okay. My apologies. Firstly, yo, we are representing the Bliss Traffic. Hey Ben, come over here. Come over here, you son, sir.
I'm ready yet.
I'm
not ready for camera yet.
Don't let me turn this around.
That's the thing, you can't put me on the spot on.
I know, but don't worry, it's being recorded for posterity, so whatever we say now is just whatever we're saying now. At some point, somebody may possibly watch it. So, you know.
Yeah.
I know the edgy. Blah, blah, blah. Oi, Matthew. Come here. Come here. Nobody's watching us, but this is recording live. And it's being recorded. Come here, man. Come here, man. Jano. Say hello to yourself. Say hello right there.
Hello, right where?
Right there.
The camera was already seen.
I know, but you know, indeed.
Yeah, well,
sides. Yeah. Indeed. See, Macho?
It's another late thing. Yeah.
No, not a delay, a bumper feet. So, yeah, we have it and we are here. Indeed. So, while we are here on camera, we shall copy. And I think we copied already, so we're going to paste it over here. So you won't even be able to see this shit, but yeah. We will still be, rocking out. Indeed. Come on, yo, I tell you now. Sometimes you have to jump on why you fucking did it just as your blood plate did it. Come on, get you fuck.
So nobody is seeing. Or someone else.
There will be a few fuckers seeing us right now. Don't worry. Don't be worried. Indeed. Indeed. Fine enough. Ben, would you like to compose with some people or you? I can't roll that for you know.
I shall. No, it's alright. I got it done in a minute.
Nice.
Is that interview?
Yeah, let me tell you some of that now.
Of course.
Nobody have to give it to me.
Yeah, sure, of course. Glad.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sometime.
You gotta get actual
Yeah.
post every
Man, I bet you're talking about one of these.
Bro, yeah, man.
Tonight.
That's what you mean for.
What do you call these?
Or what?
Tune in.
It has a written.
The kill come. I call it the kitchen bitch.
Yo, you know where Bob me out last night? Yes, sir. You know who bugged me out last night, Ben?
What?
One time I think I did Hong Kong, you know.
How come?
I said 2 man to rot.
Yeah, man.
2 China man.
Yo, some of see it too.
Move, you see them man, you know.
No, last night.
Yo,
Yeah.
some of see it too, man. Yeah, hold on, Ben. You never see the 2 IG in them. Here, boy,
I saw one girl in the grey.
I was like, hold on, the wait. I was like, you ever feel like 2 man left something yet?
Again, I'm used to seeing shit like that.
My watches. It is essentially me looking at a bunch of people and saying, well, ain't this something?
Yeah, lock yourself in
Yo,
the
nobody
traditional.
them traditional.
I'm gonna redo it now. I'll do it in a minute.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
Yeah, you do it first. Get it all ready and then I'll repost it.
Yeah, but
But you know, I did all the settings, Ganja. I don't. They
My
might
mom let
just
the picture them now,
translate.
Ganja.
I might have to redo. It might just be fine.
Why?
I might.
Why would they have to redo shit? Just cue it up.
No, because you have to tell it which microphone and this and that. And this
Sure,
it might just be a couple of settings.
Tell me something. Does this on my
I had
microphone
it all
itself?
up, ready to go, and now
Hold on,
we
don't-
look at it.
Don't worry, it's still up. Tell me something. Does this have a microphone for itself, right?
You have to set it up. You have to set up the YouTube account and put the settings on for the camera and change the flash settings and whatever. And it might just swap over, but I don't know. I had it ready to go.
Don't worry, we're ready to go still. Remember, this is just me going actually live right now. You
Mom,
Do
they
it
like
all-
the picture
you should
them.
do it
now.
all from the same
Wait,
link.
turn on the
You
green.
should do it all from the same link.
With me and Tumba with the sun and them thing there. She love them picture
That's
them, man.
every Sunday, that place.
One we took when we were there, she love it, man. I said my brethren, yeah. Yeah, she like that, man, yeah.
Well, you know, I have to try a thing. I
People
have to
say
do a
it's
thing.
particularly
Yeah.
good right now for some reason.
Yeah.
Hold on now.
The only thing though, I need to carry a jacket.
Yeah, man.
For what?
Oh, bless her. Yeah,
What's
man.
up?
For January.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I want to freeze out my balls last night to bro.
Yeah, I did one time.
Yeah.
Seriously? Seriously, Johnny. Seriously.
Yeah.
Wow. It was fucking freezing, but it wasn't that cold.
Yeah, joke, man.
No, I'm serious. It wasn't that bad. And when I say it wasn't that bad, keeping in mind, I've been very irate for a few days.
Music too.
Mm.
The music sound good. Yeah.
It was like you said, in it, like the next tune was always better than the last.
Yeah, man.
True, that's
Yeah, man.
Just right.
You know?
Hmm.
But the steps them boy, those on skirt boy, you know.
Those
When you go to the gym, I don't think we have workouts.
Man! Yo, about 3 times my boss, you know.
Yo.
Reach one point, I'm stay, sir.
Where they got the mountain?
Fucking Gabriel.
Yo, I'm
Love
gonna see
club.
some girl
Where that
breaking
at?
some stilettos.
Up the road.
Yo,
But in the dirt and rocks and
yeah, we see
Yes.
some girl have some stilettos.
Yes.
You know,
I wear
how
two
they
bus
reach down
day.
and so.
Further past that, way up, way up, way up.
okay. So yeah, the boots. Oh yeah, you are.
Of course. Indeed.
Yeah, boots. Match with our boots.
But that still didn't help a fuck.
No, man,
Cause
that's steps, man.
the steps are like,
No, I'm fucking around.
no, hold on, you ever see the steps on it? The steps are like up here, sir.
Where?
So this is your normal step.
I don't know where I'm talking.
Well, it's like that, man. It's
believe
like
you.
fucking crazy.
Yo, some winding steps. Savage.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, from the top of the road to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And some of the steps are narrow. If you have some distilled spirit, I know. Step it.
No, but hold on there.
Look here, now. When you have picnic star, you have to lift them blood, clean up them.
For real, like.
So hold on there. And so fucking scratchless, I say.
From supermarket, big luggage, if you don't mind shop, everything down a bush, brethren.
Bomba class. Man,
Yeah.
that tablet.
Yo, man, tell you.
It's pretty true.
But a good vibe, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm like the sound, the quality of the music, the bass, bust when the man start dub, everything. It's like an earthquake you feel on the mountain.
Tomorrow's earthquake at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Yo, the clarity.
What is the earthquake?
Yeah, it's supposed to mash up Jamaica.
Really tomorrow?
Yeah, 9 o'clock
Really?
in the evening. 9.
Really?
Yeah.
No, seriously.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Who says so?
It's in the newspaper.
Really?
Oh, them there's something that there's some false on them.
Well, them said they was gonna have a serious one in 5 years. And
So this is the time?
yeah, tomorrow.
Yo.
Yo, we're just talking about that and them calling a bomb scare to us after from school when we were younger. Right.
Don't take none as no. I mean, I don't believe it.
Yo, I'm not saying that.
I don't believe it.
Broke her foot I jump out of a building.
Yeah.
Because she's
I don't believe that. I'm not lying. I don't believe it. But hey,
You can take the coffee, you know.
I need to be on some pum pum at 9 o'clock tomorrow. I need to be on some pum pum.
Okay.
That baby will might be
So we're
dead.
going to fucking bed with one stone.
This is what I didn't want to do right
Come on,
now.
come here, come here.
Bothering me.
This is what we're going to fucking do, right? We're going to take this, right?
Yes.
And somewhere in the middle,
You remember the brother?
we're going to come put this, right? Like as we're doing,
I know.
and put the fucking next channel in front of that. Is it? So
Wait. Just do one channel. Surely.
listen to me good, because here's the thing. I need my channel out, good?
Yes.
Deep.
You want
And
that
we need
separate.
our channel out, good?
At the moment,
the same damn fucking feed. It's just like
I'm not concerned about.
when you are gone one day, good?
Yeah.
And I am not fucking here, even here, so good? I will need a channel, good? And you will still need a channel that will be like
That's why I
Ganja
say
TV and stuff.
yes. That's
So-
why I mean you do a separate one for Ganja TV specifically for the show,
Ah.
Ganja TV show.
Ah.
This is different Ganja TV, or you can combine the both. It's up to you.
It's just the extension of my name, plus highlight. Yeah.
But it should just have one channel where, yeah, admittedly, I need the password to it, and you got the password to it. As long as, yeah, then that works. Or other people will need to get the password to it. So,
God last
yeah, we need a channel everyone can get the password to. That's what I'm saying. Ultimately, really.
We'll see.
There's a few different ways of doing it, but I just couldn't be honest. Huh? No, I just want to push record and do it. I don't want to think of like I'm done thinking of setting up technical stuff.
Talk to that guy then.
So anyway, we're already promoting one thing. It's just that it's a waste of time now. If you want to do it from here, but just promote this link, then just do it. And just get Akeem to repost wherever he said. I don't know any other way of doing it at the moment, but posting the link, and you have to do a new link for every
Post
broadcast.
your link inside this link and say, yo, when this is gone off, check out this. And we will back on
That's too
as that.
confusing for them. That's too confusing for them. Yeah, it is. I think so.
Well,
We don't
we're
need
gonna
to
do
do
so.
that. We just need to broadcast. That's
We're
what
gonna
we
do
need
so.
to do.
Let's look at this, alright? To popularize one thing, singular, is difficult in itself, good? To have two things with the same purpose, popularizing each of them, like in tandem, yeah.
Alright, if that's how you want to do it,
The
that's
only
cool.
problem we need
I
is a
just
fucking different computer.
don't ask. Yeah, we need more computers.
We need to fucking find structures and we can pay for this fucking thing.
No,
Right,
don't think
gotta
I
get
tell
my
what our
computer.
agreement. It can happen in this
I
amount
would.
of time
Yeah,
because
they came and said he has a fucking computer.
whatever, but I can't say
Well,
we're
you
gonna have
can
at
bring
9
out even
o'clock tomorrow.
iPhones and cameras as well.
You can't say that. You
Anyway.
can predict, but you cannot
Do it
tell.
however you
Macho.
want.
So, Macho, let me have phone.
Prediction different from telling.
Call Abdul.
They can
Yeah,
do
her
it
thingy is
way or something, so it can happen some
TK's
kind of
actually.
problem.
TK is also my fucking cool.
Ah.
Yeah, so, thank you. Okay. So, we
I
have this.
think the other link is still active anyway.
What I know about them things
Okay, put in yours.
Animal them behave like.
It's on Akeem's page.
Cause the animal them get the message first.
It's on my page, I think.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay,
you
hold
guys
on.
see the bird them fly away, and the dog them start behave away and make
Okay.
a
So you roll a spliff now?
One.
True.
Yeah.
Alright. You sleeping, no man?
Just setting them up.
Not normally.
No, so sad.
Probably
I
can't
don't wanna
read them.
stop.
Alright, well, later, lady. I was gonna tell you come watch us live, but yeah, you're
Yeah,
sleeping.
we're doing it now live.
Yeah,
Oops.
that's the thing
Now,
with science.
If you get a feed on for like
Want to?
seconds,
What
like, you'll see what different people do.
Cool.
You can always do it
Later.
sometime.
We're here and we're going live on YouTube.
Just go with the flow, man.
I'm a regular person, so
What?
it's a regular thing.
The point is like anyone who wants to step to the foreground, where they just want to say something.
Yeah, match it, man.
Cool, let us in with it. Oh, and by the way, we'd love to borrow your phone too. You know?
You can just
Shoot
sit in the
some videos and
background,
whatnot.
smoke, do whatever.
Cool?
No, not when
That's
smoke,
all.
though, because my face gonna be short.
Oh, you gotta avoid that.
Yeah, if I'm gonna be. My face gonna be short, I can't.
I'm not gonna.
I know. Here, my mom, what is that you're doing in that picture? I am on Facebook. My mom said, "What is that?" I say, "Just